This is my case for AGM batteries in W123 Mercedes. The battery is located right here, and here's your water drain. So it's very close to a high moisture environment. And because the lead acid batteries gas off, they not only rust your battery tray, but they rust the panel underneath the battery tray, allowing water to get into the car. But if you have an early W123 with a climate control system that uses all these vacuum lines, look at this. That battery gassing off, the fumes itself have rotted all these vacuum hoses. So this is my case, folks. If you have a W123, don't replace your battery with a lead acid battery. Get an AGM or a gel cell battery and eliminate that gas off problem, which creates this hose rot and battery tray rust problems.